Hey guys, good day. I am Orlando Adelante Alunan, Junior from the Black Alpha, third year criminology. So, whether you're a driver, passengers, or just a road user, so our part is to keep the road safe. So, in this video, I will discuss the commandments in safety driving. So, first is self-driving safety. First commandment is, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Second commandment is, I will not pass without care on curbs, nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. Third commandment is, I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. Fourth commandment is, I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. Fifth commandment is, I do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. Sixth commandment is, I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospital, and other danger zones. Seventh commandment is, I will not be careless when crossing intersections. 8. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. 9. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. 10. I will be courteous and respectful on the right of every driver and pedestrian. Next is self-traveler 10 commandments of road safety. First, thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. Second commandment, thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. Third commandment, thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Fourth commandment, thou shalt not taken any chances. Fifth, thou shalt buckle up thy kids. Six, thou shalt not drive on thy bride. 7. Thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty lights. 8. Thou shalt adhere to the speed limit. 9. Thou shalt keep thy distance. 10. Thou shalt practice patience. So next is self-clearance 10 commandments of traffic. First, keep right. Second commandment, observe road courtesy. Third commandment, prohibited parking. Fourth commandment, if in doubt, do not overtake. Fifth commandment, the bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zone. Sixth commandment, rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. 7. Observe traffic management measures. 8. The philosophy of Pinoy driver. First come, first serve. 9th, on pedestrian. 10th and last commandment is remember the international driving safety reminders. So those are the commandments on safety driving. So thank you guys. Bye.